Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a chat AI agent using PHP. By the end of this video, you'll have a chat AI agent for verification support that your PHP application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under Build Your First Use Case, select No-Code Conversational Agents. When Vibe Agent screen launches, you can either pick your use case from the templates below, or alternatively, you can simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered chat AI agent that supports users during document and verification workflows. The agent should proactively respond when a submitted document is under review, answer questions about review timelines, clarify rejection reasons if applicable, and guide users on the next steps. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your chat agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a document submission is marked as under review or rejected. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select PHP. Plivo generates a ready-made PHP snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone PHP script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a document verification status changes. Now let's test it locally. Paste the PHP snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your chat AI agent. Now let's see how it works. Once the customer fills all of their personal information and proceeds to upload their ID on the website, Plivo's chat AI agent responsible for verification updates instantly activates within the dashboard to support customers with any queries they may have. And that's it. Your chat AI agent for verification support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your PHP application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and assist users with document verification workflows using Plivo.